यया धर्ममधर्मे च कार्यं चाकार्यमेव च अयथावत् प्रजानाति बुद्धिः सा पार्थ राजसी. In this verse, Krishna describes the qualities of a Rajasic intellect which is driven by passion and confusion. It is influenced by desires and ego, causing one to misunderstand moral principles and act in ways that may not be truly righteous or appropriate. This leads to confusion, attachment, and emotional imbalance. अधर्मं धर्ममिति या मन्यते तमसावृता सर्वार्थान् विपरीताश्च बुद्धिः सा पार्थ तामसी. In this verse, Krishna describes the qualities of a tamasic intellect which is enveloped in ignorance. A tamasic intellect mistakenly believes that what is wrong is right, being completely covered by ignorance. It perceives everything in a reversed, incorrect way, meaning it sees the truth as false and falsehood as truth. Krishna explains that such an intellect is considered tamasic. It is deluded, leading to a complete misunderstanding of moral principles and reality. This ignorance results in actions that cause harm, confusion, and suffering for both the person and others. धृत्यायया धारयते मनः प्राणेन्द्रियक्रियाः योगेनान्व्यभिचारिण्या धृतिः सा पार्थ सात्विकी. In this verse, Krishna explains the qualities of a sattvic determination, which is strong and focused on righteousness. This determination controls and sustains the functions of the mind, life, and senses. This determination is steady, unwavering, and united with yoga. Krishna describes this type of determination as sattvic because it helps a person remain balanced, focused, and disciplined in their thoughts, actions, and spiritual journey. It enables one to maintain inner strength and pursue their goals with clarity and dedication, leading to personal growth and peace. यया तु धर्मकामार्थान् धृत्या धारयते अर्जुन प्रसंगेन फलाकाक्षी धृतिः सा पार्थ राजसी. In this verse, Krishna describes the qualities of Rajasic determination. This determination holds on to actions related to righteousness, desires, and material wealth, but with a strong focus on personal gain. This type of determination is attached and constantly seeks the results of actions. Krishna explains that this determination is considered Rajasic because it is focused on fulfilling desires and material gains rather than higher spiritual goals. While it may lead to success in worldly pursuits, it also brings attachment, restlessness, and dependence on external results for satisfaction. यया स्वप्नं भयं शोकं विषादं मदमेव च न विमुञ्चति दुर्मेधा धृतिः सा पार्थ तामसी. In this verse, Krishna describes the qualities of tamasic determination. This clings to delusion, fear, sorrow, despair, and arrogance. Such a person with poor understanding cannot let go of these negative states. Krishna explains that this type of determination is tamasic as it holds on to confusion, fear, and sadness. Instead of moving forward with clarity or purpose, the person remains trapped in negative thoughts and emotions, leading to stagnation and suffering. Sukham tvidanin trividham shruну me bharatarshava abhyasadramate yatra dukkhante cha nigacchati. In this verse, Krishna introduces the concept of three types of happiness and asks Arjuna to listen carefully. Krishna sets the stage to explain the three types of happiness: sattvic, rajasic, and tamasic. He emphasizes that true happiness is achieved through consistent practice and effort, leading to the cessation of pain and inner satisfaction. Yattadagre vishamiva pariname mritopamam tatsukham sattvikam proktam Atma Buddhi Prasadajam. In this verse, Krishna describes sattvic happiness, which is pure and enduring. He explains that sattvic happiness may be challenging at first as it requires self-discipline and hard work, but it leads to lasting peace and bliss. This type of happiness is the result of spiritual practice and self-realization. विषयेन्द्रिय संयोगात् यत्तदग्रे मृतोपमं परिणामे विषमिव तत्सुखं राजसं स्मृतम्. In this verse, Krishna describes rajasic happiness which is driven by desire and sense pleasure. He explains that Rajasic happiness feels enjoyable at first as it is fueled by desires and sensory pleasures. However, it is fleeting and ultimately brings negative consequences like attachment, restlessness, and emotional pain. It is short lived and dependent on external factors. यदग्रे चानुबन्धे च सुखं मोहनमात्मनः निद्रालस्य प्रमादोत्थन् तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्. In this verse, Krishna describes tamasic happiness which is based on ignorance and delusion. He explains that tamasic happiness comes from indulgence in laziness, ignorance, and carelessness. It might feel pleasant in the moment, but it leads to confusion, stagnation, and a lack of spiritual or personal growth. This type of happiness ultimately results in deeper ignorance and suffering. न तदस्ति पृथिव्या वा दिवि देवेषु वा पुनः सत्त्वं प्रकृतिजैर्मुक्तैः यदेभिः स्यात् त्रिभिर्गुणैः. In this verse, Krishna highlights the universality of three gunas, sattva, rajas, and tamas. He explains that whether one is a human, a god, or any other being, no one is entirely free from the influences of sattva, rajas, and tamas. These three qualities govern all aspects of life and existence, affecting our emotions, decisions, and actions. The key is to recognize their influence and transcend them to achieve spiritual liberation.